Hello everyone. On World Heart Day, the objective of our talk today is to understand about heart attack, its causes and preventive measures which can avoid a heart attack. Knowing this will help us to take right steps towards strengthening the heart health. Nowadays, incidences of heart attack and the number of deaths due to it are consistently increasing in India. Thus, let us understand what is heart attack and what can be the reason behind it. The heart is the most essential organ, and its non-stop functioning is crucial for survival. It functions as a pump and allows the circulation of blood throughout the body. Any interruption of blood or oxygen supply to the heart because of blockage in blood vessels for even a few seconds can impair its function and lead to heart failure or heart attack. The main reason behind such incidences is increased blood pressure and excess cholesterol, as well as fat deposition in the blood vessels. Persistent high blood pressure damages the blood vessels by making them more rigid and by damaging their inner walls. This increases the risk of cholesterol or fat deposition in blood vessels. When there are excessive fats, it gets deposited in the inner wall of blood vessels. It blocks the blood flow. The increased demand and lower supply of oxygen due to blockages ultimately lead to failure of heart function. A heart attack may cause multiple symptoms and can be different for each person. A person may have just one or a combination of symptoms. These can feel like numbness, squeezing, fullness, or pain in the chest. This discomfort can spread to your arms, neck, jaw, or back. However, it's not the only symptoms. Possible symptoms of a heart attack are also dizziness or fainting, lightheadedness, nausea, indigestion, vomiting, or shortness of breath. One can reduce the risk by making positive changes to your lifestyle. Here are some changes you can make that can cut your risk and put you on the path to a healthier life. So, what are the factors? Number one, eating a heart healthy diet. A heart healthy diet emphasizes an increased intake of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, poultry, fish, and nuts, while curbing sugary foods and beverages. Eat more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and other high fiber foods. Vegetables and fruits are also low in calories and they are rich in dietary fiber. Vegetables and fruits, like other plants or plant-based foods, contain substances that may help prevent cardiovascular disease. Eating more fruits and vegetables may help you cut back on higher calorie foods such as meat, cheese, and snack foods. Foods higher in saturated fat can contribute to high cholesterol and reduces blood flow and increases the risk of a heart attack. Hence, it is also important to start a heart healthy diet to reduce the risk. Limit foods high in saturated fat, which comes from animal products such as cheese, fatty meats, and dairy desserts, tropical oils, and highly processed foods. Choose unsaturated fats, which don't raise cholesterol levels. One can find unsaturated fats in foods like nuts, fish, vegetable oil, olive oil, and sunflower oils. Cut back on your salt intake. This is especially important for people who are at risk for or already have high blood pressure. Try to limit how much sodium you eat to less than 2.3 grams a day. This can help lower your blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure and limit your sodium to 1.5 gram a day, you can lower your blood pressure even more. Choose and prepare foods with little or no salt. Watch for hidden sodium in foods. 3. Following an exercise plan and maintaining an ideal body weight. Regular physical activity makes the heart stronger. Regular exercise can help you in burning calories, lowering high blood pressure, reducing LDL, bad cholesterol, and boosting your HDL, good cholesterol. Aerobic exercise is recommended for good heart health. Running, jogging, and biking are some examples. Stop and get immediate medical help if you have pain or pressure in your chest or the upper part of your body. Break out in a cold sweat, have trouble breathing. If you have joint problems, choose a low impact activity like swimming or walking. One can aim to get 2 hours and 30 minutes of moderate aerobic activity per week, like brisk walking, or 1 hour and 15 minutes of high intensity exercise, such as jogging per week. 5. Quit smoking and limit your alcohol intake. Quitting smoking and drinking too much alcohol can raise blood pressure. It also adds extra calories, which may cause weight gain. Cigarette smoking also raises blood pressure and puts you at a higher risk for heart attack and stroke. Reducing these factors can help to reduce further complications. And last, managing stress. In fact, managing stress levels and getting adequate sleep are also possibly the best ways to prevent heart problems. So, overall, it is possible to make heart healthy and prevent heart failure or heart attack through lifestyle intervention like dietary modification and exercise. By taking action to lower blood pressure, one can help protect themselves against heart attack. I wish you a good health and a happy, healthy life ahead. This is Dr. Manish Jain. Thank you, everyone.